Samsung might unveil the Galaxy S23 series in early January in the first week of February. Availability details are not public known just yet, but the flagship should hit the market relatively soon. Either way, if the Galaxy S23 series is powered exclusively by Qualcomm, and it looks like it is, and it will be interesting to see what will happen to Exynos. Samsung might be buying some time to develop a new and better Exynos flagship chipset for future use, or it might lower its expectations and use the Exynos line to supply other smartphone makers with mobile SoC from mid-range devices. Time will tell. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S23 Ultra has turned up an elite CAD render, seemingly confirming the shape it's going to take. It has been rumored that the Galaxy S23 Ultra won't be much different in design to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. However, it seems there will at least be a flatter display to be enjoyed. A supposed CAD render of the Galaxy S23 Ultra has surfaced on the Chinese social media site Weibo, posted by an account that is machine translated as Love the Planet. A drawing shows an unnamed smartphone-like device mostly from the side, but part of what would presumably be the display also revealed. As reported earlier, Wi-Fi 7 is indeed coming with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. This is going to unlock the fastest internet performance on the Galaxy S23 series, with up to 4 times the speed of the Wi-Fi 6 of the current smartphones. And top it all off, we also have the support for the latest LPDDR5X RAM, meaning Samsung will be implementing their latest RAM that they announced a few days ago on the Galaxy S23 series. So there we go, Qualcomm has made the most important part of the Galaxy S22 series official, which is the 8 Gen 2 chip. It will make the absolute make or break difference when it comes to the performance, battery life, camera enhancements, and more. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is getting a brand new main camera sensor. There's going to be one new camera sensor for all the Galaxy S23 models, and that is going to be the front camera sensor. Samsung is making an entirely new 12-megapixel front camera sensor for all Galaxy S23 models. It's probably going to have larger size as well as wider aperture for even more detailed selfies and videos. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.